back with another video. Bueno guys, we made it to SEMA after long ass hours guys of working on this truck. No sleep. Ya saben guys, en el desvergue, pero no pasa nada. Se arregla. Oye, las pinches motos. Guys, it's actually fucking packed. So many fucking cars. We even got Freddy Lesage with 2 trucks. La OG. Y la green machine guys. And we're going up right now. Freddy's gonna go in with his green one, and then after he comes out, he's gonna go in with the OG, and then I'm gonna jump in there, tandem with him. So, bueno guys, let's go. We're going in with my boy Jose. Make sure to follow his YouTube channel, guys. I'll put it right here. Smokey Baker, guys. I'll put it right here. You guys give him a follow. And we're trying to follow the water and tires, whatever the fuck it is. We're gonna fuck it up right now. So let's go. Guys, shout out to my boys right here helping me out. We literally walked through the whole SEMA with these damn fucking rims, huh? Damn, you know, guys, no pasó nada. The homie right here is gonna go mount it for me and bring him back later on. Pero guys, ahorita we're gonna be on our way to go swing the 5-speed. So let's go, let's go. Guys, look who pulled up. We're gonna put him inside. Guys, he brought the truck with the fucking cleanest interior. Look at him. No, te va a chingar tu jefe, güey. You know, guys, this is a real fucking sponsor right here. Even if the fucking transmission blows, he brought me a spare one. Hell yeah. Let's load these motherfuckers up real quick. Guys, just pulled up and it's already cracking.
Oh, anything. Hey, we need a fire extinguisher.
That's right,
that's how we do it.
Come on!
¿Y lo está pagando?
Oh shit, this whole shit over here on this side.
Yeah.
Hey, we gotta roll it back, right? Yeah, roll it back. Go, 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 go.
Esta falla, dale el tingado.
That's a pistol. There you go.
Damn, Pa. You did that on anything.
That's a piston right there.
Yeah. Hey, Isma, you got a barbecue going on, Pa.
Yeah?
Serio. What you think about the bar? Don't touch it, bro.
Hey, bring the meat! Bring the meat!
That's how you do it, baby.
We're really the
Serio.
barbecue going on over here. Hey, what happened, my guy?
Can I spark him real quick? I just
Fuck it up, bro. We have a barbecue over here. We grilling.
Really?
Tenía que durar toda la semana.
Bro, it was the first day, my guy. Bro, what? Damn, pariente. That's a T-bone steak. What I gotta say, god damn, pariente. On anything. That's how the go do it. The aftermath.
Alright guys, with the fucking truck, no aguantó el pinche motor. So whoever said that the iron or cast iron block 6 holes aguantaban, y'all guys lied, guys. This madre no aguantó. Pero guys, shout out to my boy Checo Ticvato. His truck's right here too, so we're gonna swing that motherfucker right now. Ahorita vente el compa Diego, míralo. Dale, 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 dale.
that shit going? The brakes tripping? Man, no brakes, bro.
Bueno, guys, the fucking brake system on the truck valió verga. The whole brakes went out. I'm like, oh, fuck. Boom. Pero, guys, no pasa nada. That shit hasn't even no fucking power steering. We gotta fix that shit, way. We gotta go para Miguelón para go. Guys, we got a compa Biggie going in. Look at him. No, boy, no quema para go in. You better blow them, bro. Ya que le faltan, güey. got compa Miguelón going in again. Dale, viejo, dale, que trenen a la verga. No te miro, güey. Hell yeah. Alright, guys, you guys see what's going on right here. As you guys seen earlier, that shit blew up right there, caught on fire. Got my boy right here, Otto, taking the shit apart. Pero guys, right now before we pull the motor out, we're gonna have our compas right here from Demon Details. They're gonna be washing it real quick because this shit is fucking filthy. This shit's dirty with all that extinguisher shit right there. As you guys can see right there, the whole interior también, guys, está todo marrano. That's just all dirty. I don't know how the fuck this shit got dirty. Look. Pero guys, our compas right now from Demon Details are gonna get down. And compa pariente, Otto.
I need to smoke.
He already started taking this shit apart. And then we got my cousin right now, gonna come and take this shit out. And then in a bit, también llega el otro motor, guys. I don't know around what time, pero con que lleguen, we'll swap it, have it ready for tomorrow. And a ver qué pasa, guys. Alright, guys, well, stay tuned with the videos. On the next video, you guys are gonna be seeing the truck turn on with the new motor. Right now, guys, I'm gonna have to, end it up right here already because I'm gonna try to get some rest. Well, not rest, but I gotta finish this, and after this, get some rest. And you guys already know we're gonna try to come out with some bangers, guys. Because remember, we got the Hoonigans, and then we got the Dropstar Bulls, and then it's a big walk that way and come this way. But the guys have already drained the fuck out. I have a little bit of energy, guys, to pull this motor out and swap it up. And, just fucking, after that, get some sleep. And with this said, guys, it's gonna be the end for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We out.